Hello everyone, my name is JK Osei Ampadu. Welcome to Drivers Talk Show. Today I'm going to speak to you about how drivers can maximize their profit. Most people lack the ability to track their finances when it's come to the work that they do. So as a CEO of Joe Garden and Transport Services, today I'm going to give you 5 tips about how you can save and save well. So guys, the first point I'm going to talk about is records keeping. Yes, records keeping, which is very important in every business. Then point number 2 has to do with you paying yourself. So point number 2, pay yourself first. Then point number 3, taking care of your source of income. Very important. You have to take care of your source of an income. Then point number 4 has to do with an investment. You have to invest. Then point number 5, which is the last point, has to do with avoid borrowing. You have to avoid borrowing. So guys, I'm going to elaborate more on this point in our next episode, so that you get to understand how someone can become financially free. So guys, don't forget to like, share, and comment. And also you can drop all your questions. Yeah, thank you.